Hey friends, if you wish to enable mono audio on your Windows system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. It's easy. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select sound in the right pane. And now you can scroll down and there's an option called mono audio. You can turn it on. I'll tell you what it does. When you turn on mono audio, it combines the left and right audio channels into one. For example, when you're playing games, you must have been noticing that you can actually feel that there's a character coming from the left hand side or the right hand side. But when it's mono audio, it's just like you have one speaker on the whole system. All the speakers on the system act as one, and you cannot judge the direction. So there are a few people who want it for different purposes. If that is one of your purpose, then you can choose mono audio. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.